Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to connect with my database using PHP. Okay, I have installed some server and we will connect with MySQL database using PHP. We have two methods using connecting with the database in PHP. One is the MySQLi method, the second one is the PDO. Okay, both are the same. Maybe you are confused which one to use. Both are the same. If you are connecting with MySQL, use MySQL method. MySQLi, I means improved. Okay, but if you are connecting with another one like PostgreSQL or MongoDB or someone else, so you can use a PDO. Okay, first we will come and we will start the PHP script how to connect with the database. Already I have the XAMPP server is running. Okay, MySQL and Apache server, both of them, and I have created a file by the name of connection.php in htdocs folder. Okay, and the XAMPP. So let's first of all we will write the server name. Server is equal to localhost with us. Okay, localhost. The username is equal to by default root. Password, no password, and the DB name, for example, DB name is equal to CRUD. After writing this, so now first of all we will use MySQLi method. Okay, MySQLi method has two ways. Okay, one is the procedural, the second one is the object oriented. So let's write first one. Let's create a connection. It is MySQLi Object-Oriented method is equal to new MySQLi, and here we will pass first the server, then username, and the password, last the DB name. After writing this, let's check it. We are connected with that or not. App connect error. If there was any error, so then display as, for example, echo connection failed. Come here, echo connection successful. So now let's check it. We will come here to the localhost and we will come to the test folder, and here we will run the connection.php. See, the connection is successful. We are connected with the database using MySQLi Object-Oriented method. Now let's use the procedural method. We will write instead of that MySQLi connect, and here we will write something like connection connect error number. If there was any error, so connection failed, otherwise successful. We can just simply write like this, remove this. If the connection, if it connected, so it will be like true. If there was an error, so then it will display this now. Okay, it will print this. So let's check it. Connection successful. Again, let's change the message. Procedural. See, the connection is successful. And now let's move to the PDO. Okay, let's write try PDO. Let's write the connection is equal to with new PDO. PDO means PHP data object. Let's write MySQL. Our database is MySQL. DB means MySQL, and the host is equal to with the server, and DB name is equal to with the DB name. After that, let's write our username and then our password. Now let's write if there was any error, so we should catch that. Com set attribute, after that PDO, and to the attribute error mode. Okay, error mode, and also PDO error exception. If there was any error, so it will catch us, it will catch that error. If there was no error, so then we will print connection successful PDO. Let's catch the error. Here we will write PDO exception. Connection failed. Okay, so now again let's run. Refresh. Connection successful PDO. So these were the methods that to connect with the MySQL database. And also other, if you are using someone LTBMS, use the name of that here. Okay, simply the PDO is for other DBMSs also, SQL Server or MongoDB PostgreSQL, and the MySQLi which is used for MySQL, that is better. So it was all about that. If you have any questions, so you can comment down that. So if you like the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.